Elephant and Piggie book. I Broke My Trunk by Willems. I have not seen Gerald today. Why? Gerald, what happened to your trunk? I broke my trunk. How did you break your trunk? It's a long, crazy story. Tell it! Tell it! Well, I was playing with Hippo. Then, I had an idea. I wanted to lift Hippo onto my trunk. Why? Because. Okay. So I lifted Hippo onto my trunk. But a hippo on your trunk is heavy. Is that how you broke your trunk? No. There's more to my story. Then Rhino showed up. Rhino wanted a turn. What did you do? I lifted both of them onto my trunk. But a hippo and a rhino on your trunk are very heavy. Is that how you broke your trunk? No. There's more to my story. Then Hippo's sister showed up. Hippo has a sister? A big sister. Did she want to turn too? Yes. She also wanted to play her piano. 2 hippos, 1 rhino, and a piano on your trunk are very, very heavy. Is that how you broke your trunk? No. This is a long, crazy story. Gerald, how did you break your trunk? Well, I was so proud of what I had done that I ran to tell my very best friend about it. But I tripped and fell, whoop, and broke my trunk. You broke your trunk running to tell me your story? That is a crazy story. That is a funny story. I want to tell someone your crazy story. Whoop! Piggie, what happened to your snout? It is a long, crazy story. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where Hippo's big sister wanted to play her piano. This book is Are You Ready to Play Outside? An Elephant and Piggie book by Willems. Piggie! Gerald! Are you ready to play outside? Yes! 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 We are going to do everything today. We are going to run. We are going to skip. We are going to jump. Nothing can stop us. Plink. Uh-oh. Oh no. It's starting to rain. It is is raining. It is pouring. It is really pouring. I have never seen so much rain in my life. I do not like rain. I am not a happy pig. Huh? Thank you, Gerald. But it is still raining. Grr. How can anyone play outside with all this rain? Rain! Yay! Splash, splash, splash. They are having fun. Maybe we can have fun too. We can try. Splash! This is great! Let's play! Run, run, run. Skip, skip, skip. Jump, jump, jump. I love rain. I hope it rains all day. Rats. Now I like rain, and now the rain has stopped. I am not a happy pig. Don't worry, Piggie. I have a plan. Rain! Elephants make the best friends. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where Piggie and Gerald were jumping. Can I play too? By Mo Willems. Piggie, let's play catch. Yes! I love playing catch with friends. I will throw. I will catch. Excuse me, can I play too? You do not want to play with me? No, we do want to play with you, but we're playing catch with our arms. So, you do not have arms. I do not have arms. Hee ha ha, hee ha ha, hee. I know I do not have arms. I'm a snake. You're a funny snake. But can a snake play catch? I do not know, but I can try. Cool! I will throw the ball. Try to catch it. Here comes the ball. Bonk! Sorry. It's okay. Let's try again. Okay, I will try again. Bonk! Now I will try. Bonk! This is not working. We need a new idea. Yes! Maybe we need more balls. More balls. More balls? Oh boy. bonk, 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 bonk. Do we need even more balls? Maybe. Wait! We have tried, but I am a snake. A snake who cannot play cat. No! You are our friend. We will play cat. How? She has an idea. Whee! I love playing cat with my friends. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where they threw more balls onto the snake and it made this sound. Bonk, 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 bonk. Should I share my ice cream? By Mo Willems. Ice cream, gets are cold ice cream for a hot day. Oh boy, ice cream. One ice cream, please. Here you go. Oh boy, I love ice cream. Wait, Piggie loves ice cream too. Piggie is my best friend. Should I share my ice cream with her? Should I share my awesome, yummy, sweet, super, great, tasty, nice, cool ice cream? Maybe Piggie does not like this flavor. Sharing a flavor Piggie does not like will be wrong. I will eat the ice cream. Wait, Piggie will like this flavor. It is very yummy. I will share my ice cream. It will not be easy. Hey, Piggie is not here. She does not know I have ice cream. I will eat the ice cream. Where is Piggie? What if she is sad somewhere? I must find her. When I do, I will say, would you like some of my ice cream? Then she will say, thank you. That will cheer me up. Then I will give her my ice cream to share. Yum! Then my best friend will be happy. I will do it. I will share my ice cream. No! Now Piggie cannot have any of my ice cream. Now I cannot have any of my ice cream. I blew it. Would you look sad? Would you like some of my ice cream? Thank you. That'll cheer me up. Yum. not my plan. Oh well, this works too. The end. What is your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where Piggie gives Gerald her ice cream. Which ice cream would you eat? I would eat the vanilla ice cream. I will take a nap. An Elephant and Piggie book by Mo Willems. I am tired and cranky. I will take a nap. I like to nap. I am happier when I'm rested. I hope I have good dreams. Gerald! Huh? What? Where? When? How? What are you doing? I am trying to take a nap because I am tired and cranky. Plop. And a nap helps if you are cranky? Yes! A nap helps if you are cranky! I am sorry, Piggie. I am very cranky. Now I feel cranky too. Very cranky. Maybe I need a nap. Maybe you do need a nap. I will take a nap too. I like to nap with my special buddy. Ready to nap? Ready to nap. Sleep tight. Snore, 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 snore. Snore, 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 snore. Snore. Snurk, 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 snurk. Snore. Yawn. Wow, what a great nap. I feel rested. I do not feel cranky. How are you enjoying your nap, Gerald? I am not enjoying my nap, Piggie. I am not napping. But if you are not napping, how can I be floating? And why is my head a turnip? Good question. I'm a floating turnip head. She's a floating turnip head. She's a floating turnip head. She's a floating turnip head. I'm floating. Also, I have a turnip head. Yawn. Oh, hi, Gerald. Did you have a good nap? Sure did, turnip head. The end. What's your favorite part of the story? My favorite part of the story is where Piggie was sleeping so quietly and then she made such a loud snore.